In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import full HTML code in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your code so it loads correctly and only where you want it. Start inside your Framer project. From the main interface, look to the top left for the canvas label or its drop-down. Open that menu to access your project options, then head into Settings. This is where all the project level configuration lives, including the area for custom code. Once you're in Settings, switch to the Code section. Here you'll manage any scripts, styles, or HTML you want Framer to include. Choose Add Script to create a new entry. Give it a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to add multiple snippets. Names like Marketing Embed, Checkout Widget, or Global Styles make it easy to stay organized. Next, choose the placement. This controls where your code is injected. Use head for metadata, fonts, or CSS that should load early. Use body start for elements or scripts that need to initialize right away. Use body end for HTML embeds and scripts that can safely load after the page content, which often improves performance and avoids blocking the UI. Pick the page targeting that fits your goal. If the code should appear everywhere, choose the entire site. If it's specific to a single page or a small group, limit it to those pages to keep things tidy and fast. Select when the code should run. Think about dependencies and timing. Some snippets need the page content ready, while others can fire immediately. Matching the run setting to the snippet's needs helps prevent errors and layout shifts. Now paste your full HTML in the editor. Include any needed script or style tags, and keep everything self-contained to reduce conflicts. Avoid inline secrets or sensitive tokens. If the snippet relies on external files, confirm those URLs are correct and secure. Finish by clicking Add to save. Your code will load based on the placement, page targeting, and run settings you selected, keeping your Framer project clean and maintainable.